No! No! No!
Where's the hole? You put it underneath!
Hello, my name is Andrew Parker, aka Andrew, aka Wafellow, aka Spider-Man. I'm here with Joanna.
Hi.
Logan's off screen.
Hello.
Hello. Frick you.
Okay.
He's playing a phone game.
What you playing?
Kingdom Rush.
Not sponsored.
Raid Shadow Legends.
Raid Shadow Legends. We're gonna do an escape game with the wheel. The wheel's coming back. We haven't used the wheel in a while. Skadoosh. Skadoosh.
I'm not looking forward to this.
So, on the wheel, we have a lot of different things that we have to escape from. Straitjacket, rope, handcuffs, different challenges, blindfolded is on here. Basically, you're gonna spin the wheel twice, and two things are going to be combined to restrain you to a chair. Whoever escapes fastest wins.
I would just like to preface with, if this wheel lands on duct tape for Andrew,
I'm screwed.
I am recruiting Logan.
Yeah, Logan's gonna swoop in and screw me over. Heads. If it's heads, I go first.
Flip a coin.
It's heads. I'm going first. Logan, what are you hoping for?
Duct tape, obviously.
Spin number one. Here we go. Rope. All right, so I got 100 feet of rope. You can recruit Logan for that.
I will definitely be recruiting Logan for that as
we'll
well.
We'll get the rope out.
Duct tape, duct tape, duct tape.
Spin again. Where is duct tape? I accidentally erased duct tape. It was an accident, I promise.
There is an opponent's choice on there.
Yeah, and also double lock. That's what I meant to erase. We're not doing double lock right now. So if it lands on double lock, we'll do duct tape. So I landed on spinning it. So we got rope and... No!
Yeah! Duct tape, duct tape. Yo, Logan, you get to tie him up in two different
I haven't done
ways.
this in a while.
Andrew, go ahead and say a prayer.
Should shoot him when he comes in.
Oh yes, perfect. Andrew, what's wrong? What's wrong, buddy? What's wrong?
I don't want to do it.
Too bad.
It's my channel. I can just call the video off.
No,
Or
you
just not get-
can't. Logan and I won't let you do that.
Got it. Were you expecting that?
Let's go! Oh, I'm not afraid of you! See, he's dead. He can't do it. I killed him. Don't show that in the video. Whoa, he's alive. You know, I'm going against you in this video, so Logan should not be involved.
Frick you.
Come here.
Also,
Wait, you scared of me?
Come here.
Scared?
I'm not scared of you.
Scared of my duct taping
I'm
ability?
not scared of Yeah, actually. Did you go to duct taping academy? Like, I don't understand.
No, I just practice a lot.
He has a minute for the rope, and then we'll give him 35 seconds for the duct tape.
3, 2, 1, go.
I'm fighting back this time.
No,
Frick you.
no fighting back.
Yeah, frick you. Ah.
I'm struggling. Resistance is futile.
No, 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 no,
Can't fight.
no,
Can't fight it.
no, 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 no,
This is the part that effed him last time.
no, 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 no. Read my lips. No.
Whenever you're ready, Logan.
I was born ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
I got my arm here. Oh, have we lost our touch, Missouri? Have we lost our touch? No! I'm having PTSD! No! No! Ah, my arm!
3, 2, 1.
That never gets more fun. It's so tight on my chest. I'm gonna Hulk out. I'm just gonna go nuts. Okay, wait, I'm starting it with my nose.
Yeah.
3, 2.
Go, Andrew, go!
Ow! Oh, oh god. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, oh, god. Oh god! Oh god. Oh my gosh! How does it hurt that bad though? How does it hurt that bad? Oh, I can't rip it off like a band-aid because I'm constrained to it.
I'm starting to cry.
Ready? Okay. You know what I need? You know what I need?
What do you mean?
Ba 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 ba! Yeah, I got it. Oh, it hurt. In the back. I need long sleeves. Ba 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 ba! Oh god, that hurts so bad.
Does it hurt worse than when I duct tape your legs?
It's on that level. I just gotta get up over the top. Up over the top. Come on now. Come on. Come on.
Oh.
Let go of me! Time! Where's the time? Time it.
Better than you usually are, Parker.
2 minutes? That was 2 minutes? It would have taken me 1 if my arms weren't duct taped. The pain slowed me down.
Mm-hmm.
Go. Straight jacket! Hey, okay, that's not
too bad.
it's not that bad now. I'm hoping for a handcuff of some sort. Oh, straight jacket again, spin again. I don't have 2 straight jackets, I don't think that's gonna work. Handcuff ankles, yes! Okay, perfect, straight jacket and handcuff. If it was just me, we would just make her pick the handcuffs, and if she couldn't, she would just have to keep doing it, because I pick handcuffs. But we're gonna give her a minute to do it with the paperclip, and if she can't do it with the paperclip, then we'll give her
I think it should be 30 seconds.
the key. And if you read the fine print, it says ankles, so we're doing 2.
No. This wasn't in my contract.
Logan, predictions.
2 minutes and 39 seconds.
So you think I'm gonna win?
I do think you're gonna win.
3, 2, 1. I don't need to. I can't breathe. Oh, I'm not good at this.
What's she at?
40.
Ah! I don't remember how to do this. Who's keeping track of my minute?
I am.
Yeah, I don't remember.
40 seconds left.
I don't remember how to freaking do this at all.
Oh, you already know.
30 seconds till you get a key.
So she gets the questions.
That's not fair. Yeah, I don't know how to freaking do this.
20 seconds.
20?
Can you start asking the
I'll ask
questions?
it
10.
10. Okay. Who's the 16th president?
I don't know!
Recite the People I'm Stupid intro.
I don't freaking remember the people in stupid intro. Welcome to People in Stupid. This is a story talking about stupid people doing stupid things.
I'll give it to you. Name 3 Marvel villains.
Loki, Ultron, and Thanos.
You have 10 seconds.
No!
9, 8, 7, 6.
Where's the hole?
5,
You put it underneath!
Do the other one.
2, 1.
No, time! Yeah!
That's not fair, you put it underneath!
I put it on however I want.
That's not fair. I win.
Nope. Loser.
No.
Yes.
No.
Good game, but no. You could have undone the other one.
No.
Also, you could know who the 16th president is. Logan,
No.
do you know? It's Abraham Lincoln. Also, my original question was I was going to ask you the 6 original Avengers, but I thought that might be a little bit too easy. Duct tape was involved, and I still won.
Barely.
I still won though. My arm still hurt, so I still got punished. But your punishment now. We gave her the choice of being shot with a paintball gun or me getting to post on her Instagram story and do some other things with her phone, and she went with the phone stuff. So first off, Pickle Rick. I love Pickle Rick, and I like annoying her with Pickle Rick because there's this song that I play all the time.
So bad.
So first off, let's show them your phone background. She has to keep this for a week, and so that's fun. Also, I'm gonna get to post on her Instagram story, so let's do that. Also, at any point for the next few days, I can ask her to listen to the Pickle Rick song, and she has to do it. I'm gonna use that constantly. But let's see. Logan, what should I post on our story, huh? We could put the picture of Pickle Rick on there, and then have a little, like, slider that says, how much do you like Pickle Rick? And then people can vote, and then yay Andrew and yay Logan. Actually, just yay Andrew. And we're gonna say, we're gonna add a little, how hot is Pickle Rick? With a heart eyes slider. Okay, and then yay Andrew. Subscribe to @Wafellow. Alright, I think that's what we're going with. Has to stay up all day. Go follow me on Instagram. Winning feels good! I don't know what this feels like very often.
You do it more often, but you can.
And now she's listening to the song. Here you go. In my videos, I am now doing a Bible verse and what do? I read a comment at the end of every video. So I'm gonna do that now, and then we'll do the outro in a second. Hi, Logan.
Hello.
What you eating?
Chipotle.
Chipotle. How many times have you Chipotle this week?
Twice.
Twice? Did you know that Chipotle sucks? The Bible verse is John 16:33. I have told you these things so the webpage isn't loading. I have told you these things so that in me you may have peace. In this world you have trouble, but take heart, I have overcome the world. I'm just kidding. I mean, I don't need the webpage. I mean, I have it memorized. Like, I have a ton of Bible verses memorized. Anyways, Alan Dvorkis said, where's talent review? And he's commented a lot about talent review. He like threatened that he was gonna start doing drugs or something if I took talent review away. And guess what I did? I took talent review away. It's gone for the time being. I don't know if any of y'all like talent review. I kind of like talent review. It was a fun little series, but for now, it has gone bye-bye. I got some stuff coming in the works. Oh wait. This video comes out tomorrow, so yeah, this is a preview for you guys. If you're still watching, look at this thing, huh? I built this thing. Well, I built it with, I got all the props, not the props, all the stuff to make it, all the equipment and everything with a friend, and then I spent like 6 hours putting it all together and taping up the cardboard and stuff. So this is an escape room that I'm gonna shove my friends in, like Logan, and he can't eat any Chipotle until he gets out. What? So this video will probably come out next week, so I'm gonna start doing stuff with this pretty consistently. So a little preview for you guys if anyone's still watching. But apart from that, I've got some more Magic for Strangers videos, ideas coming. You know, inspirational kind of fun stuff with other people that I'm really hyped to do. So thank you for coming on the YouTube journey or whatever. All right, back to the outro. Carpe diem, vita es bono. Go have a great day. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.